from the Cape Fear River Trail to Carver's Creek State Park, celebrating the natural beauty of the Fayetteville area on the river. 106.5 WN.